Hello Joey, how I love you, how I love you, Shannon. You love Joey, baby. You love Joey, I love you. I'll walk a million miles for one of your squawks, Joey. I'm blowing a cockatiel, but don't get a wrong idea.
Every Christmas, it's the same thing.
Daddy loves Joey. Daddy loves Joey. Yes. Oh, Joey. Oh. Daddy loves Joey. Daddy loves Joey. Yes. Go stroke your wings. All right then. All right then. Nasty punk.
Saved and pancetta potatoes, roasted Christmas meat vegetables, and grilled sausages.
Daddy loves you, Joey. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves Joey. Yes. Oh, the daddy loves Joey. He's a bugger, isn't he? Oh, you nasty sod. Oh, that baden. Oh, that was a bubbles. Are we done yet? Are we done? I know you love me, you don't tell me. Daddy knows, yes. Oh, bloody handsome. He's like the Tom Cruise of the cockatiel world. Who loves you? Anyway, I can see it. As my lip bleeding, I can see an orange splodge there. Watch me resist him kissing me, you don't like it.
And every curry and PC world this Christmas. This Advent laptop has a 2 gig memory, comes in red or blue, and has £70 off, only $299. This 4 gig Sony has an Intel Pentium dual-core processor and a 500 gig hard drive, only $469, £130 off. That's 2.5 price, this 12 million.
Call the cops. Help! Somebody! Boy. Is Joey going silly? Going, yeah. You're going to be a YouTube star, yeah.
Seth's getting closer to Jasmine's secret Hollyoaks at 6:30. For about 30 minutes, someone's got the managing munchies. But once you have a good meal, come dine.
Who loves you? Who loves you? Daddy does. How much love can one man take in one night though? Wait, the budgies are off.
Reminds me of dog food, but it's true. Then watch. Shock. Horror.
It'll take a job on a plate.
And fear. Please don't leave me alone with that.
You will be mine.
And they battle to win the £1,000 cash prize.
That's a crime.
This week we're in Edinburgh, a city famous for many things, including the invention of the traffic code. And so far, our contestants have found themselves in a bit of a jam, starting with first place candidate.
Food's not been up so far.
Say Joey.
I think it's going to
Say Joey.
competition.
Say Joey. Say Joey.
Homemade. Wow.
Do you love me by any chance? I must be doing something right in this bloody awful world.
On Tuesday night, host Irene Mangalis didn't manage the style.
Oh yeah, maybe not. Sorry, God.
I still think that my night was the wedding night.
Amazingly, it is so far.